So I have a cup with some milk in it. I'm making a latte. The milk has been heated in the microwave. Now I'm going to take some coffee. Well, first I need to put a filter into the coffee maker like this and attach that to the bottom of this container. Put it over the top of the cup. Then I take the coffee. I'm only making one cup, so I put 1 scoop of coffee in here, finely ground coffee, espresso ground, into there. And we take the plunger, we fill it up with water. On the side here you can see markings, 1, 2, 3, 4 for how many cups you put in, you want to make. I'm only making 1, so I'm going to now fill this up to level 1.
That's good.
And then I'm just going to stir it for a few seconds, get it done. Like that. Then I take this plunger, I've wet the end, and I'm going to put the plunger in here, and then I put some pressure, gentle pressure, and push down. This takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Just you can see the plunger going down. And this is putting pressure in here. This is like an espresso machine, whereas in an espresso machine, the steam is the heat of the water is under pressure, with the steam is pushing into the grinds and extracting the flavor. Whereas here, the water is being put under pressure by this plunger, which is slowly going down. It's just beyond halfway now, and it's pushing the water through the grinds. And I'm almost there, and that's it. So then, spoon. Oh dear. Take this off. Stir it up. And then we have a beautiful cup, rich flavored latte.
Cheers.